Today, Robert and I are putting up a video of what our lives are like in these weird and wonderful times, with the state of the world at the moment causing grief over the price of fuel, making it difficult for pensioners like us to get out and about, preventing us from enjoying our country. So, boredom, and me being me, made me pick up my phone and film us on our daily walks, now unable to drive to our favourite walking spots just out of the city, as we try to conserve diesel. So, as always, this video is really just to keep me amused with something to do. So feel free to come along on our walks around our hometown of Whanganui with us. Oh, and we even played with the cheapo Temu microphone, just for fun, but I don't like it. Sorry in advance for some of the sound quality. Here we are, on a Sunday morning, going past our daughter's old street, and we will be heading up to that, the old water tower. It takes around 1.5 hours going at Robert's pace. There he goes. He's taking his first shortcut. This has changed from when I was here last. Now it's a Montessori. How different is that? That's the school, St Anne's. Turning off Rain into Ikitara, where we'll head up the zigzags soon. Hello, caught up with you, Robert. Right, this zigzag is going to get us up to Montview Road.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy.
Let's get my breath. So we look like we're fitter than we really are. There's no actual stairs on this walk to get our stairs in, but some of these steep slopes are just as good as stairs, I reckon. Hey, oh, look at that. Beautiful.
If you feel like letting go, you can take
It's a decent zigzag, this.
turn this soul to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life.
We'll go up past that water tower. Actually see the mountain somewhere there. I've lost track of it now, my eye, but it's out there. And where's the other one? Oh, there it is over there. This Taranaki over there, I don't know if you can see it. And that other was Ruapehu.
Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder.
See, we reached the tower. The old water tower.
Hello. Testing this mic out, see how good it is. The reason we're walking is because the price of diesel has gone up so much, it's not funny. We're getting it for about $1.70. Last time I checked, it was $2.70 at Waitomo.
Oh.
So we've put the car away, the truck away for a little while and just walking.
We're heading off into the countryside soon. Yes, it's country-like, rural, but there's still houses around everywhere. Up in the hills, eh?
You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. one more time. Oh, if you feel like letting go,
This is the nice part.
you can turn it so
Under the trees,
when you feel
in the shade. Today's just nice. 21, 22. Beautiful.
say louder. Oh, feel the moment, feel the power. Oh, bring the animal back to life. Oh, bring the energy one more time.
He's going to turn up the street. What are you doing? He's not wanting to go, but anyway, here we are at Wairere Road. And it's another steep as track. I can see why he's taken the alternative route. Bobo. With the town bridges, Cobham Bridge in the background, and Waimarie boat, paddle steamer.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life.
Robert just texted. He just texted me saying he's going to walk up Mount View Road. Meet me at the top of the zigzag.
Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Back down we go.
I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I got. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore.
No kids at school on a Sunday. I can't see the eels. You know, there's eels here. We used to feed them ourselves when we lived on a property near the Matarawa stream. I haven't ever been down here before.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side.
And there we are, back on Rain Street at the school. I was always curious as to where that led. Now I know. Carries on over there. And in the big flood, 100-year flood we had, that stream flooded right up to our daughter's house. And she took a video of an eel that was in the gutter down the street here. And it went, do they call it went viral? She got money for it. So many views or whatever. But we haven't had floods like that again for a while. Look at you all. Heaps of you. How many today? Oh no, you brat, there's none. They're back.
Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Beach your home. Been down Geordie many times. Now, first time we've been to Shakespeare Road. That's Durie Hill over there.
Yeah. Durie Vale down there.
Oh yeah. Can't see it, but it's down there somewhere.
Yeah. I don't know. What is it?
Oh, you couldn't hear? Take your ears out, man. He said, do you want to buy some land? I've got tons around the corner here. Do we look rich? Why do you think we're walking everywhere, buddy? Funny. What a nice walk. Enjoying this. Oh, look what Robin's found. Oh. Hello. Oh, you're gorgeous. Lucky this road's not busy. I know. There we are. Back to Georgetti. That was a slip once. That's why it's like this. I reinforced it. And there's a house up there. Look, it's been a slip too. Crazy. Don't build on hills, people. In 2015, when we had the big flood, I took a photo of Robert sitting here at the water's edge and of a small slip that blocked Mount View Road. It's playtime. You can't take a shortcut, Robert. What a shame. And there's the market taking place. The boat's gone already. It's just after 9. Wow, so many people out on this lovely day. 2 days after poor old North had a terrible flood again. They get it bad there. What did we get? A night of rain and a bit of thunder and lightning. And that was us. And then it was fine like this yesterday. So hot on our walk yesterday. Bit better today. The sweat's coming out of us. Bit more wet. Keep going. Oh. Is that the route, is it? I see. I didn't know that. It's for cyclists too.
TA.
Are they the TA people? On the bikes though? Wow. Okay. Three zigzags. Not 11. We could go down the steps, but that's for another day. We're going down the zigzag today to Taylor Street. I wonder how many zigzags this one has. Six. There we are, at Taylor Street. Oh, there he comes. What you gonna do? You think you're hiding, don't you? You think you're hiding from me? Are you cute? Oh, over the road. Oh, I say. Lucky no cars are on this road. Get going. We're going up Taylor Street today, up to the zigzag. It's new. All the information. These are still here. And I was with Age. More signs. Break times. Operator takes a short required break. We're not going out, we're just... There's colour! There's blooming colour! That's new, isn't it? It didn't used to be colour like this. I used to make it my own. Well, here we go. What the heck? What the heck? What's going on? How neat! But we don't know who you are. That's much better, isn't it? I should have done this years ago, Robert. Don't you agree? Oh, look, that's how it must work, Robert. Automatic circuit breaker. Wow, that's impressive, eh? Well, this is way improved, Whanganui. Well done. I can't stand here all day. We've got to go on our walk. I'm glad we came and stopped here before we go up the stairs. Aren't you? Oh! There is another. Do we set it off, do we? Yeah, that thing there. We're setting it off. How cool. Look at that, that's how old it is. The elevator opened in 1919 with the front page of Whanganui's newspaper, The Chronicle, dedicating it to much of that ceremony. The Chronicle declared that this tunnel and elevator was the largest of its kind in Australasia and brilliantly lit by 18 high-powered electric lights. I've always loved this anyway. It's all so pretty now, Robert. Very impressive, eh? Bye-bye. We're going back now. We're going up the stairs.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the
What
world
they're
felt
doing.
small. Way back before we blew
Oh, I didn't know this track was here. Oh, there's the zigzag. How do you know this was here? Oh, you saw it that day. We came this way. And that goes down to Taylor Street.
myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Yep,
Way back
it's the Whanganui River.
take me back to a place
We get all sorts on it.
we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood.
Don't take the box. I think that's it, isn't it?
That's it.
It's a bag full of them. For Joa. What?
Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing stuff.
He's carrying it all the way home. We've still got a 15-minute walk.
Or maybe maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where
This garden, look, it's got parsley in amongst it. Isn't that clever, Robert? And your feijoas? It's got... Oh, how pretty. It's at this place. That's clever, eh? It wasn't there the other day. I was obsessed with zigzags now, and had to know how many zigs and zags are on Whanganui's other zigzags. Nothing beats Sikatara Road's 11. Hallswell Street, the Deer Park. We've got rained on today. So be it. We can see it coming in. Goes all cloudy. Oh well, it's cooled me down. Nice. Well, it came down hard. We are drenched. Aren't we? Oh, glad I've got my sunglasses on. Wow, that's wet. Blue sky again. By the time we get home. No sign of Robert. Oh well, he'll be here soon. At 9 a.m. on Sunday, the 19th of April, 2026.
Got a state of emergency.
We just got an
Flooding.
an alarm, didn't we? Because we're standing in the flood zones area. And because we're over Whanganui East, we're at floods. But look at the day. Look at the sky. Not a cloud. Oh, you gotta laugh. But they did say for 11 o'clock high tide. It's already quite high at 9:30. And we're supposed to be getting thunderstorms at 2. So it's coming, they say. There's people everywhere ready to evacuate their boats. The boat clubs, as always. Everybody's out. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. They shut this bridge in 2015. I had to come home from work early. Okay, we won't be riding here today. Oh look, there's the levels. Take a picture of that. All this was underwater in 2015. It's not even 10 o'clock. High tide's 11. So their boats are in there, aren't they? Oh well, we won't be walking or riding around here today. Let's go around there. We don't normally come this route, do we, on the weekends? Because the paths are busy. But this is nothing abnormal. Even when we don't get state of emergency call-outs, this gets flooded. The river did come up on our riding track. We have to ride up the top. It's where we should be riding. Not happening today. They just put these new seats in. Okay. We just walked along here this morning. Didn't we? But we can't ride it. So it's definitely come up. The thunderbolt lightning has disappeared from my from my weather thing. So, but it's still saying it's going to rain at 3, and it's nearly 1. Ooh, what's that big log doing by the boat? Yeah, it's come up. Like I say, it's nearly 2 hours since high tide. You'll be in the water soon, boat. It's coming up. It's getting there. Oh, actually, it's going down. Oh, look at the poor, where the kids jump off. Guess what song I'm listening to? What's the buzz? Tell me what's happening. What's the buzz? Tell me what's happening. Because all the people, everybody's out. Everybody's out watching. Oh gee, look, it's even gone right up. Oh wow. So, this was all underwater in 2015, because that's where I worked. Look at the countdown. When it was countdown, it's now Woolworths. And the car park was drenched. Mark, who I worked with, Mark Ciccone, he took videos of it. And it was on the news that night with Mark's footage. So this is nothing yet. It's gone way higher and fast. I like that. That's the Cobham Bridge now. What is that going on? Everybody's out. Everybody. AVCO. Meatworks. Panic stations are a mile away from it. It's not going to be a 2015. Don't panic. The river is not that swift at all up here. Not like the rush in town, is it? Looks really quite calm. But we've spotted our first black cloud. We got another one while we're out on our bikes. The update was to say we're all good. Not that bad after all. It's the Whitebaiters stream. I knew it would be shut off. Oh, grums. Look at what they've put over here. Big sausage. Yeah, flooded ass. How cute. Yep, we knew it'll be shut off. Even the park's shut off to cars. There was a little gate open for us. Apparently, the flooding was worse upriver in the Ruapehu district. Just a little worse than our normal floods here.